Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Geode not working in Geometry Dash game. So here follow the steps to fix the problem. When you go to Steam Geometry Dash website, scroll down and here you will see recent events and announcement. Click on view all. Here you can say there is a small update on January 21. That is a update 2.2081. And when you go to this Geode website, here you will see a new update for Geometry Dash version 2.2081 was recently released, and because of that Geode is currently broken. We are working on fixing it, but please be patient. And here they explain why it is not working. Every new update to GD breaks Geode. This is inevitable and due to the low level technical issues. Luckily we have developed tools over the years that make updating Geode a lot faster and simpler, but it still does require at least a few days of manual labor. So we ask you to be patient while we work on updating Geode. So when you go to this website, I have provided this link in my video description. Here you will see this update from them. So it's not because your game is broken, it's just Geode is broken. So you have to wait for them to fix this issue for you. In the meantime, the first fix is to uninstall Geode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Geometry Dash game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder of your Geometry Dash, and then you have to click on this Geode uninstaller exe file and then click OK, then select next and then hit on uninstall button. This will uninstall the Geode and this will fix the problem. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to delete the modes in Geode folder. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on Geometry Dash, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Then open the Geode folder and look for the modes, right click on it and select delete to delete the modes folder. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Geode not working in Geometry Dash game. But in case if still your problem is not solved, then check this website, and when you go to this website and if still there is a update about this that Geode is currently broken, then you have to wait for their developer to fix the problem for you. So that's all for this video.